Welcome back. Today we are joined by our tax product manager, Rachel Richards, and we're running through a enhancement to a current feature inside the website, the tax estimates. So what exactly are we looking at here?
Yeah, so our new tax estimates feature really focuses on giving you a picture of what you can expect to owe for the year. So each quarter, as we're making your recommendations, you can understand how we got those numbers and what your options are for making quarterly tax payments. So at the top here, you can see a breakdown of where we're planning on filing and what you can expect to owe in each of those jurisdictions. And then for each quarter, you can see a more detailed breakdown on your dashboard. And then if you go in to manage payments, we can do even more. So the first thing you'll do before you get your recommendation is verify your payment history. We just want to make sure that we have all your previous payments recorded, because if you've made a payment that we weren't aware of, that could definitely affect what we're recommending you pay. And then you can move on to get your recommendations. So you'll always see what we recommend, but you do have other options. So in this example, we recommended you pay 90% of your current year taxes because you would stay penalty free with that option. But there's another option where you could potentially pay even less. And sometimes, even though we recommended that you make a payment, you might decide for cash flow or other reasons that you don't want to make a payment right now. And if that's the case, we'll help you understand what the cost of that decision would be by showing you what your estimated penalties are.
Excellent. And do we make the payments directly inside the website here, or how does that work?
Yeah, so once you come to record your payments, right here you'll have a link where that'll take you directly to the IRS or state website where you can schedule a payment. And then once you've made that payment, you can come back here and record a payment. And when you're recording a payment, you can also see in real time what your expected penalty for the year might be. So right now, if I am not paying anything, I have an expected penalty of about $1,000. And as I record payments here, I can see that number go down.
This really adds a ton of transparency to what you're going to be owing at the end of the year as a business owner and what exactly your tax obligation is going to look like. Thanks so much for running us through all this today, Rachel.